Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Warrior Plus income video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more multiple income streams and profitable passive income commissions have recently come in. So I'm live in my Warrior Plus account. I'm just going to refresh the page so it's not a screenshot and click on search. So what you'll see here is that the sales now in this column here, the sales now are $20,509. The commissions earned in this right-hand column here, $10,254, and I've sold 2,277 products in this left-hand column here. And that's an important number because I want to show you how, a bit later on, how you can promote one link and you can make multiple sales to earn multiple income streams with these offers. And more importantly, in this video, I want to show you how these offers are buyer's traffic offers. And buyer's traffic is the best traffic that you can buy online to promote your offer with. And it gets even better than that because they are unlimited autopilot buyer's traffic offers. So these work in the background for you 24 hours, 7 days a week, when you're asleep, when you're at work, when you're out with your family and friends. So they're great products, and I want to show you, and I recommend that you become an affiliate, and I'll show you how you can get your autopilot buyer's traffic for free. So become an affiliate. Once you become a member, you get auto approved to become an affiliate. I'm going to give you all my free tools and resources that I personally use to be able to generate the results that I'm sharing with you today. And the next level is not just getting your traffic for free, but getting into profit and promoting one link to earn multiple income streams. I'll show you how that works shortly. The next level is what we call a funded traffic proposal. Now, this is where you get into profit every month. Every single month you'll be in profit as an affiliate. And then what the funded traffic proposal allows you to do, that allows you to, so if you're like me and you've got a full-time job, it means you no longer have to buy traffic from your job income, your wages, or even your savings in your bank account. You're going to buy traffic from your profits, and that's how you can scale up faster to make more money online. So I'm going to give you my system to earn thousands of dollars with Warrior Plus offers. It's beginner friendly. It's just 3 or 4 simple steps that you take, and I've already shown you real proof today that that actually works. There will be an income disclaimer in the description, so I'm not going to make any income claims or guarantees in this video. I'm just sharing with you what works for me, and we've all got an equal opportunity to be able to join these offers as a member and also promote them as an affiliate. So let's have a look at a couple of reasons why this works. So these are the offers that convert, because traffic's an evergreen niche and everyone just doesn't need traffic. Everyone who wants to make money online needs more and more and more traffic. So there's always going to be a demand for these offers. Now what you'll see down the right hand side here, you'll see these little circular arrows. It says there recurring payment 18. So that's where the member has been paying for 18 months in a row. Now what that means to you is, that means to you that you can start, there's a high retention because a lot of the affiliates are getting into profit. So they're like me, they love the product, it delivers great traffic, and they're also in profit, so they stay a long-term member. Now, all these 21 months in a row there, any spaces here where there's no circular arrow, that's where new members are joining. 4 months in a row. Now if I come down here, if I scroll down here, you see all these circular arrows. So what you do is you start the beginning of every single month. You start the beginning of every single month. They're new ones that are coming in profit. But it's also profitable passive income. So all of these here, profitable 12 months in a row. They're quite new. 6 months, 8 months, 3 months, 19 months, 17 months. So that's how you get into profit. You promote offers with affiliate marketing that are a membership subscription that everyone's happy with, and even the affiliates are getting into profit. So you can earn that solid, stable, and growing monthly income. I've done other videos on that showing you the growth. Now let's have a look at this here, this product. 2,277 products sold. Now the way you do that is, I'll just give you an example here of the Click engine. So the Click engine is how I started this journey. Now the Click engine, each of these offers, you'll get your affiliate. You'll promote one link. That's your affiliate link in the top left-hand corner there. Now you'll see there's 8 products here within this funnel. So if any of your referrals decide to buy any of these products in the funnel, even if you don't buy them yourself, you'll join the call. You'll join the product, the front end product. But if you don't buy any of these and any of your referrals buy, you'll still earn the commissions in the right-hand column here. These are the commissions you're going to get, 50%. Now, there's one here for $94. You would earn a $47 commission. Double the buyer traffic's quite a high converting one, because that enables members to promote 2 offers within the Click engine system, and that would earn you an extra $7.45. So the opportunity for earning multiple income streams, and because each of these products that I promote has got done for you funnels built in, that's how you promote one link and earn multiple income streams. Now let me show you the tools that I'm going to give you that I personally use to generate the results. I'm going to give you an example of one, the Click engine, done for you funnels that I've created. I've created 5 of these done for you funnels for 5 of the 5 of the products. I'm going to give you a funnel for each one. So if you're a member of these and you haven't got these funnels, you can send me an email. My email address will be in the description, and I'll very happily email the share codes across to you so you can set your own funnels up. Now what you'll see here is I do the videos for you. You just clone these pages, copy and paste in a few clicks. I'll show you how that works. Your prospect will put their email address into there, and then they'll get taken to a welcome page. Now what I do with the welcome page, I update this video here with the showing the proof that it actually works. So you don't have to do any of that. You just clone this page by copy and pasting these share codes into Leads Leap. Really simple, really beginner friendly. And what I've done is I've done some video tutorials down here, a couple of tutorials there. So if you're brand new or you're quite new to the industry, you can set these funnels up step by step. Really simple. And then your affiliate links will go into here. So when your prospect opts in, they click here to join the Click engine, and I show you in the video how to put your affiliate link in that button there. And you can also earn, even though this is a Warrior Plus income video, with my funnels you can earn an additional passive income stream with Leads Leap. So they'll join Leads Leap here through your affiliate link, and you'll see here that Leads Leap, my total earnings, $1,173. So you will earn between 25 and 50% monthly recurring commissions just by using my funnels and promoting Leads Leap. Then you can use Leads Leap to promote any offer online, not just Warrior Plus products. I've also done all the email follow-ups for you for each of these offers. I've handwritten these. I haven't done AI or ChatGPT or Google Bard or anything like that. I've handwritten all of these. So you'll need an autoresponder because you need to follow up at least 7 times. I've got 7 emails here because your prospects need to see an offer up to 7 times before they take action to buy. Very rarely do they buy on the first exposure to an offer. And if you don't build an email list and follow up, you can lose them on that first exposure, and then you'll never see them again. So we have an email list so we can follow up. And with the Click engine, just show you some proof here that these funnels work. So this is I've referred 140 Click engine of referrals, and the beauty of the Click engine is that Jeff Amon will pay you $25 for every 10 Click engine referrals. You just send him an email to the support desk, and he will send you $25 to a payment processor of your choice. So that's just proof there that what I'm showing you actually works with the funnels that I personally use. So let's have a look at the system itself. This video here explains it. So the page that it's on, I'm going to pin to the first comment below the video you're watching now. So just click on there. It says how to get your buyer traffic for free, but it's a lot more than that. It'll teach you how to get your offers in front of thousands of existing buyers, thousands of new buyers that are joining these offers every single month. And there's a lot more to it than that. So it's very beginner friendly, a lot more benefits to the system than what I've just said. It's very beginner friendly. So if you are brand new or you're quite new to the industry, you can follow it step by step. It's really simple. And there's some more information on that page is there. So if you want to join any of the offers, you can join them here as well. And if you want to recreate, I do a proof video there for you. If you want to recreate the page and make it your own, then you can even create that page and promote that page as well with your affiliate links in. So I'm giving you everything that I personally use to generate the results that I'm sharing with you today. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. If you'd like to see some more videos from me on how to make money online, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new uploads every week, over 1,000 videos now on my channel. If you've got any questions at all about any of the content in this video, then please put those in the comments below. My email address will be in the description, so you can contact me on there. And I mentor students one-to-one. So if you want mentoring one-to-one, or just like any help with your affiliate marketing, send me an email through that email address in the description, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So all the links are in the description if you want more information on these products. And thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.